I joined Irish Girl Guides when I realised how much fun my own children were having as being brownies, ladybirds and guides and senior branchers, and I haven't regretted that decision. This year has been a tough year for all of us and we've been forced to stay away from our family and friends, but the one thing I have felt very much part of is the IGG community. I've done training at home, which has been really easy and it has been very relaxed and enjoyable. And then the weekly meetings we have with the girls, I feel we've got to know the girls even better. The girls are fantastic at using the technology, and as all children, they live in the moment. It really brings a joyful end to any of our Monday evenings when we have our meeting together.
Being a member of IGG has given me lots of resilience and helped me to deal with new challenges in lockdown, such as coming up with new ideas for the girls to keep them busy during these strange times.
Being an Irish Girl Guide has given me leadership skills, confidence and so many more important life skills. I have really enjoyed this past year during coronavirus, our weekly online meetings and badge work, as it gave me something to look forward to. It has given me so much more confidence and I cannot wait to be able to meet again in person soon.
Since joining Irish Girl Guides, I've become a more confident person and it has helped me develop many new skills. For example, becoming a young leader has helped me learn how to deal with stress when things don't always go according to plan.
I'm a more confident person thanks to Irish Girl Guides. I've gained many skills as a leader. These have helped me in particular over the last year. One of our guide laws is, a guide has courage and is cheerful in difficult times. This has been my mantra in the past year, and every day I try to find something to be cheerful about and always to have courage when times got difficult.
The life skills I have gained through Irish Girl Guides have helped me cope with difficult times, including the past year in the pandemic. I can manage well if things don't go to plan. Being adaptable and flexible are key management skills of being a Girl Guide leader.
Since joining the Irish Girl Guides, I have been able to take advantage of lots of opportunities that I wouldn't have without it.
I feel like Guides benefits both girls and women alike. Through the use of badge work, games and crafts, you are taught important life skills, sometimes without even realising it. You learn how to be responsible while also having fun. Irish Girl Guides' tagline is giving girls confidence, and I feel guiding has encouraged my confidence by allowing me to get involved, speak up and be heard.
Doing the Healthy Mind badge helps boost girls' mental health by identifying positive qualities in themselves, teaching them positive communication skills and helping them identify stresses in their lives and how to deal with these stresses by using different relaxation techniques. Guiding teaches us how to be prepared and how to deal with life's challenges. These skills, such as resilience and dealing with change, have helped us through the challenges of the last year.
In Ladybirds, we do the mindfulness badge. We talk about our feelings, about feeling happy and sad, and that it's okay to feel sad. We did yoga and practice relaxation exercises. I really enjoyed it.
They are happiness, sadness and angriness. And no matter what feeling you are, you can always talk to someone about it. And you can do breathing techniques and yoga and exercise and anything. And we also learn about the Irish Girl Guides tagline, and we give girls confidence.
I enjoyed doing the Brownie Healthy Mind badge because we learned how to think positively about ourselves and to find strength, and we did relaxing yoga in the hall. I also enjoyed this badge because it was very mindful and creative.
The Healthy Mind badge is giving girls confidence, and it helps us find amazing things about ourselves, and it helps us give out and receive compliments, and to help us know that unusual feelings are completely normal and how to deal with them in a healthy way, like talking to someone, because a problem shared is a problem halved, and to identify when we're feeling stressed and to deal with it in a healthy way.
I learned that it's okay to have feelings, and it's okay to be sad, and it's okay to talk, and it's okay to feel really upset as long as you talk about them. And also, it's fine, it's grand to have happy feelings as well, and it's grand to talk about them as well. So, number 2, I learned a few relaxation exercises. I learned that Yoga is a really good way to relax, and it's also an exercise, so it's really good. Yoga is a really fun activity as well.
As an active member of the Irish Girl Guides, I've learned many skills over the years, but those that I've relied on most during the pandemic, I gained while completing the Explore Belt. When walking 180 kilometres in 10 days, carrying all of your equipment, living on a budget, not having access to a smartphone, and not speaking the native language, you become fairly resilient. The patience and resilience that I learned while completing the Explore Belt have definitely stood to me during the pandemic.
My guiding experience so far has given me so many opportunities to gain abundance of life skills, including coping skills, interpersonal skills, resilience and empathy. All of these skills that I have gained through guiding have helped me to face life's challenges, and especially the challenges that have come about this year because of Covid-19.
Becoming a member of Irish Girl Guides, I have gained so much more confidence and made so many friends from around the country, and I have such a huge support network, especially during COVID, which is greatly appreciated.
Being involved in the Irish Girl Guides has helped me to develop my resilience and coping skills by giving me another family of support that I can lean on, enabling me to cope through these difficult times of COVID.
Over the last year with COVID-19, I have had to draw on a lot of skills that I learned in my years as an IGG member. I have learned it's so important to be nice and kind to other people, to think about other people and their needs before ourselves, and to do what we can to help others. We've also learned that we need to think outside the box and try things when they don't work and try again. We have found new ways of communicating and to stay in touch, which are all very important things to do. And I thank IGG for giving me these skills.
During the past 12 months, it has been really difficult living through the COVID restrictions, and I have realised how the coping and resilience skills that I have gained through guiding have helped in no small way to get me through this time of crisis. As a leader, I know from experience that if one way of doing or explaining something doesn't work, then you try another way. And many times this year, I have needed to find that other way of doing things. When I couldn't travel, I was unable to meet people, I wasn't even able to buy things. But I coped. I used up old craft materials, I gave much thought to putting together Zoom trainings, and if something didn't work the first time, I tried and tried again. As we were unable to hold meetings, all the local leaders came up with other ways to keep in contact with girls, through Zoom, sending packages and letters, and having virtual ceremonies such as Thinking Day and St. Patrick's Day. Resilience will help us to get through this time of COVID. We're not born with resilience, it is built up over time. And I'm delighted that IGG has helped me to build resilience and coping skills that will get me through this time of crisis.
IGG has given me some wonderful training through programme and through camps and through conferences to be able to know what to do when I'm struggling. So I knew what to do when I felt like I wasn't able to do it alone anymore, and so I felt completely comfortable going to see a doctor. And I really feel this was down a lot to IGG, because they gave me all of those sessions prior in advance with the mental health sessions, and knowing what positive mental health looks like and what signs are, and that it's completely normal to have mental health issues and difficulties, especially during this pandemic. So I want to thank IGG very much for all they've done for me, and let's just keep going. We can do it all the way to the end.